Okay, this part of the optimization process is going to pertain to services that only want to receive their leads during a specific time. Okay, so we're going to go into the campaign level. We're going to go to right here. So really, it'll show this. It'll say show more, show less. But if it's hidden, that's where you're going to find it. Then there's ad schedule. And here, it'll show you when we are running our ads. And right now, we're just we were running them when we ran the campaign all day, every day. But let's say he's like, hey, you'll see that we are running them currently all day and every day. Now, when you go, you can go down here and you can see which days are performing the best. Okay, so I gotta change my columns here. Conversions, conversion rate, cost per conversion. I also like to have my search impression share top, absolute top. Okay, search impression share, the top, absolute top. I'm gonna save this as day. Okay, so as you can see, Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday, those are a decent amount higher than Saturday, Sunday. Saturday, Sunday, people are, again, you have to step into the shoes of your customer or of your target audience. When you're on these Saturdays and Sundays, one, they may not think that these pool companies are even open, or they may be using their pool and they don't want to even have somebody come out and take a look. So Saturdays and Sundays are not as good as in the beginning of the week. And then we can go down here and we can go to hour. Again, I'm going to change my columns. I want my conversions, cost per conversion, conversion rate, and I always like my search impression share top, absolute top. Call this hour. Okay, so if I sort this by conversions now, late morning, when are people not really converting? Right here, 1 a.m. until 6. So 1 a.m. to 6 a.m. And then we have late at night, 6 till midnight. Okay, so let's go into our ad schedule and let's make one. So we're going to show it on all days, or you can choose specific days. But I'm going to do all days, and I want them to only show. Let's do 7 a.m. to scroll down to let's do 7 p.m. Okay. Save it. Here's my new ad schedule. Okay. So there were some at 7 a.m. They were a little expensive though, 7 to 8. So you could even go back and change it till not showing it until 9 a.m. Because these, you only had 2 conversions. They're $136 compared to 6 at 50. So we don't want to waste any budget. I want this search impression share at the top, absolute top. I want it to be as high as possible. Okay, so let's move this back to actually 8 a.m. 8 a.m., $39. That's what we want. Go to ad schedule. I'm gonna change this to 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. We're gonna save it. Okay, so here's my window now. It's only going to be shown Mondays every single day from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. And that's why I chose that, because I looked at the data and I chose to exclude those because there weren't any conversions. If there were, they were way too expensive. So now we'll start seeing our search impression share go up for the right times and hopefully get more conversions at a lower cost per conversion. So this is how you will do your ad schedule. So when you're optimizing, you want to look at all of these different parts, the audiences, the time of the day, which day, negative keywords. And then we're going to have to get into adjusting our ads. And we'll get into that in the next video. Thanks.